What are burps? Have you ever accidentally made a loud burp during a meal? While you're apologizing to the other diners, you may be wondering where that came from. A burp is made of gas. When you eat, you don't swallow only food and drink, you also swallow air. Air contains gases like nitrogen and oxygen. These gases end up in your stomach. When there's too much gas in the stomach, it's forced up through the esophagus and out of the mouth as a burp. And it comes out very quickly, which is why you can't always cover your mouth in time.